Now, if you think one-day shipping is too slow, a new plan from Amazon could get goods to your door even faster. Amazon.com revealed their new delivery service called Prime Air. It is in the next 4 to 5 years. Amazon says they hope to deliver packages with unmanned drones. Take a look at this. This is pretty crazy. Amazon is currently testing the devices that look similar to toy helicopters. Prime Air could only carry packages that weigh under 5 pounds, but Amazon says 90% of their deliveries, look at that, right onto your doorstep, weigh less than those 5 pounds.
First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
But have they tested that for, like, what if a dog comes after it, sees it flying in, dog starts chasing it, tears it apart, you run over it with your car. I mean, there's all kinds of, or somebody hacks into it and then it doesn't land in the right place and then somebody else gets it. So I don't know. Well, we'll see what happens. Anyway, there may be a little rain and then maybe a little winter mix falling from the sky, and it won't be delivered by Amazon. It's Mother Nature down the pike. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. We're not seeing anything right now, just cloud cover, but there may be a passing sprinkle or two today, kind of like yesterday. 44 the current temperature reading in Bowling Green. Checking Mesonet sites, we've got a variety of temperatures going on here, and that's because there's a warm front kind of moving through the area that's going to lift more southerly winds into the area starting today and for the next couple of days. So that front has yet to make it into the northern counties of our viewing area. So we've got a 33-degree reading up there in Hardinsburg, 34 in E-Town. But just down the road in Hodgenville, it's 45. And then you start to see mid and upper 40s further south, close to the Tennessee border. Eventually, you guys north of us will begin to warm up as we go through the day, even though it's going to remain cloudy. In fact, here's a look at high temperatures today around the Lake Cumberland area. We go to Columbia and Adair County, maybe 53 for your high today. Just a chance of a passing sprinkle or light rain shower. We head to Russell Springs, Jamestown area in Russell County, 55. 54 for Burkesville, 55 for Albany and Clinton County. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot estimated to be at $81 million for the Wednesday night drawing, and the next Mega Millions estimated to be at $257 million. Here's a look outside down Scottsville Road in front of the Bowling Green Airport. A cloudy start to your Monday morning and 44. The current temperature reading with the winds calm and the pressure falling. Here's a view from our AAA Systems weather cam. In Franklin, you're at 45 degrees in Simpson County this morning. Notice that most of the county courthouse squares or downtown squares have the lights all lit up for the holiday season. Russellville is at 44 degrees this morning there in Logan County. And then at the Sleep Inn, this is our vantage point at exit 22 of I-65 here in Bowling Green and Scottsville Road. Their temperature is at 44 degrees. 43 right now. You can see that warm air boundary just kind of slicing right through west to east across Kentucky. North of that boundary, temperatures in the 30s. South of the boundary, 40s and even low 50s this morning. We're 3 degrees cooler than yesterday morning at this hour, but we're going to warm things up as we go through the day. In fact, the next couple of days, a much warmer southerly flow, and then just a weak disturbance passing through today with those clouds, the possibility of a sprinkle, but beyond that, we're not calling for much in the way of precipitation just yet, but that will change with time as we go through the next 48 hours. We're seeing mostly cloudy skies across south central Kentucky, the Ohio and the Tennessee River Valley, and from time to time you see these little precipitation blobs just kind of showing up here and there. Tonight we could have some drizzle passing through. Tomorrow maybe even a passing shower. Not a big chance, less than 20%. But what we're waiting on is the arrival of the next big shot of Arctic air. It is going to be a huge weather maker out west and out in the Central Plains, but as it modifies and moves into our area, this is the Wednesday morning map. It won't really get here till about Thursday, but it could play havoc with the weekend forecast. And as you know, we've got our first round of Christmas parades on Saturday. So a lot is in question here, nothing in concrete, but we could be looking at some tricky wintry weather as we get on into the weekend. Mostly cloudy today, a chance of sprinkles, a warmer 56 today, then a mild 48 with some patchy drizzle overnight. Tomorrow, we'll make it up to a warm and breezy 63, 66 Wednesday with a chance of showers. Actually, some heavy rain is possible on Thursday with a cooler high of 54. Some models saying we could even get a thunderstorm or two, but I'm leaving it out for now. Now, as we get into Thursday night, Friday, and Saturday, much colder air comes in. Rain could be mixed with some freezing rain, some sleet, maybe some snow showers. A lot has to do with the temperature, the timing, and the track. All that still big question marks right now, but we put it out there because we want you to be ready. Know the weather before it knows you, because it could be kind of one of those weekends where you're not really sure what the weather is going to end up doing until it starts.
Right.